Septic tank maintenance is crucial to ensure proper functioning and eliminate unpleasant odors. Here are a few tips to clean your septic tank effectively. Firstly, avoid using harsh chemicals as they can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in the tank. Instead, opt for products that contain enzymes and bacteria, promoting the breakdown of solid waste. Regular use of such products helps prevent clogs and reduces the frequency of septic tank pumping. Start by locating the tank's access point and remove the lid carefully. Next, use a septic safe hose to flush water into the tank, promoting the movement of waste towards the drain field. Avoid excessive water usage during this process to prevent overloading the system. To tackle odor issues, introduce odor-reducing products specifically made for septic systems. These products contain natural ingredients that neutralize odors and maintain a fresh-smelling environment. Furthermore, consider diverting excess water away from the tank by fixing leaking faucets and toilets. Additionally, be mindful of what you flush down the drains, as excessive grease, oils, and solid objects can contribute to clogs and foul odors. Lastly, regular maintenance and inspections by a professional are essential to ensure the longevity and efficiency of your septic system. Following these guidelines will help you clean your septic tank, eliminate odor, and avoid costly repairs in the future.